After the emergence of artificial intelligence, it is now possible to create your own unique music piece with just 3 steps, even without any prior musical knowledge. Join me as I guide you through the process and show you how to achieve it. If you search for relaxing music on YouTube, you'll be amazed by the impressive average video views for this type of content. If we visit the Social Blade website, we will find that the monthly income for this type of channel is very high. This channel earned between $3,700 and $58,900, which is exceptionally good. We will present to you in this video 3 free methods to create your own music using artificial intelligence, which you can use in your videos without worrying about copyright issues. So let's get started with part 1, Free AI Music Generator. The first tool we'll explore is Tracy AI. Their terms of use explicitly state that you can freely use their AI-generated music, including for monetization on platforms like YouTube. However, it's important to carefully read the instructions for using the music on other platforms. To begin using Tracy AI, you'll need to create a Tracy AI account. Simply click on the Sign Up button and create an account using your email or Gmail. Once you've completed the registration, log into your account and click on the Create Track button to start creating your free AI music. With this AI tool, you can create your original music with just 3 clicks. First, select your preferred music genre or mood. For example, in this demonstration, we'll choose the beautiful music genre. Next, select the desired music length. You can choose any duration between 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Finally, click the Create My Track button to generate your free AI music. Once the generation process is complete, you can directly play your AI-generated music. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Save button. Otherwise, you can click Create My Track again to generate a new piece of AI music. To download your AI music, navigate to the library and click the Download button. Remember to include the necessary license or attribution in your content description. Steps 2. Create your video with Canva. First, let's go to the Canva website and use the search box to type YouTube video and click the search button. After that, click on Elements and in the search box, type Natural Landscapes. Select a video that you like and drag it to the timeline. Secondly, from the toolbar, select Uploads and click on Upload Files. Choose the music track that we created earlier and upload it. After the upload is complete, drag the music track to the timeline. Adjust the video according to your preferences, and you can also add additional videos to match the duration of your music. Finally, we export the video by clicking on Share, then Download. Choose the settings that suit your preferences, and make sure to select all the pages. Click on a Download, and then you can view the result. And now you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and start earning money. The first primary website for creating music with artificial intelligence. I will give you 2 websites for creating music using artificial intelligence, and we will start with the website, beethoven.ai. We will try Beethoven AI to generate long-form AI music. With the free plan, you can create music tracks up to 5 minutes in length. If you upgrade to the premium plan, you can generate tracks of up to 15 minutes. To get started with this AI tool, click the Sign Up button and create an account using your Gmail or email address. Once the registration process is complete, log into your Beethoven AI dashboard. Click the A New Track button to begin creating your AI music. Enter the music title, set the duration, and choose your desired music tempo. Click Next to proceed. Next, select the music genre and click Apply to continue. Then, choose the desired music emotion and click Apply to start generating your AI music. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can explore alternative tracks in the Alternate Track section or generate new music by clicking the Get New Tracks button. You also have the option to adjust the music volume and change instruments if needed. Once you have the desired music, click the Download Track button to download your AI music. Choose your desired file format and complete the download process. The second primary website for creating music with artificial intelligence. If you're interested in an AI music generator that allows you to input your own prompts, you can try out this free AI music generator. To get started, visit the Waveform or website and enter your prompt and desired video length. Then, click the Make Music button to initiate the generation of your AI music. Keep in mind that the maximum length is 30 seconds, making it suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram feeds, or other content that requires short and unique music. Once the generation process is complete, you will receive the music and video formats as the results. You can download them based on your specific needs.